Hi everybody, welcome to Colorado. We're having a beautiful day here. The wind gusts are about 45 miles an hour. The snow is approximately about 26 inches so far. My windshield wiper, watch this, they broke, so I rigged it. Oh yeah! Still driving. Stay safe. Have a good day. I can't get it back down.
Let's go.
We're just out hunting for stuckies. If we accidentally threw the tow strap in the last guy's truck and he drove off with it, thanks, bud.
You're welcome.
Careful, everybody. So we pulled out a Toyota, we pulled out a Ford. We drove in some lady's neighborhood and there was good 2.5 feet of snow that hadn't been driven through. Got her out. The roads are nice. It's a beautiful day. Why aren't people out? Colorado.
We're going four-wheeling.
Alright. We're almost back to the house. When we get there, we're going to try to shovel some of our yard. There's a big tree right there that's broken on the left.
Dang.
Wet ass heavy snow. Look at the roofs.
$500 off for one eye. See details at LASIK1000.com.
I'm Dr. Andrea Russo, a cardiologist. Maybe you're waiting to talk.
Look at that.
Neighbor's trees right across. Ouch.
Crazy Carl's is voted the best pizza in Fort Collins. Find out why when you eat crazy mouth-watering
Shout out
specialty
Crazy Carl's.
pizzas like the loaded baked potato, medium
Not a paid
lasagna,
promotion.
double pepperoni garlic, or choose your
Oh,
own favorite
Fortress.
topping. Crazy Carl's has bone-in and boneless wings, giant hot stuffed grinders, and fresh salads, plus tons of other crazy good food. 2 locations for
And like, we're standing on the first probably foot layer and going through only the next foot layer. And look at this. Oh my goodness. We haven't had snow like this in forever. It's awesome. Look at the drift in front of the door. Oh my lord.
Is that a package?
It sure is pretty though. If you're thinking about doing laundry or your hot water heater vent comes out the side of the house like this, you should probably clear it out because it'll back up carbon monoxide in the house if you don't. Wow, look at those trees. That car's buried. The Blazer's in its little cave. That car's buried. Shit's heavy, huh?
Yeah.
Really wet. Get it. Hey. Can I get some? It's like slush. You were barefoot the whole time?
Yeah. Hadn't have socks on.
Oh my lord.
I just have my snow boots. One of those purple toes.
Thanks for watching our short video. Hope everybody is staying warm. The roads are a little hectic. If you're not prepared, don't go out. Just stay home.
Went and rescued a couple caregivers.
Couple caregivers.
Got them home safely after working 18 hours straight. So, it's a good, fun time.
Fun times. You guys be safe. Stay healthy. Be nice to each other. And we'll see you next time.